Hey guys, wait, it's late so how are you guys doing? Good evening. So this is me officially starting up a new vlog. And wait 1 minute, I don't know if I have shown you guys this. I think I showed you guys a little bit in my previous vlog, but yeah, I have a new setup right here. I'm trying to set up my dressing table, right? I brought this mirror here. You guys remember the mirror from this space over there? So I brought it here since I already took off the computer from here, and it's turning out like it's coming together. That is what that looks like for now. And since my birthday, I realized that this dining table looks better here, so I left it here, and yeah, I think it looks good as well. So I took off those things that were here. If you guys remember, I put them over there. They look a bit too small for that space. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe I should get a plant for that place. I wanted the floor to be free. I still haven't decided on what to do with that space, but that is it for now, you guys. So I'm gonna make someone's hair tomorrow, and I decided to make stew so we can have something to eat tomorrow, because I don't get stew. You guys know my own. I know if I enter kitchen, I must surely see food. I know, like, I must surely see food eat. It's quite different when someone comes to visit. So I decided to make stew. And you guys, until right now, I've never thought of getting bigger pots. You don't want to see what my, I don't know, what my kitchen top or whatever kitchen counter looks like. It's a mess, and this is going to give me double work. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like. Look at all those splashes. You see that? So I made rice right here, and this is the stew. Yep. Ooh. So I made some stew right here. Wait, I need to hold the pot and turn it. So this is what this looks like, and I have to do all of this evening, you guys. So another thing I'm thinking right now is I hope I can finish up the hair tomorrow. I really hope I can finish up the hair tomorrow, because she has to pick up her kids from kindergarten tomorrow as well. Hopefully she comes early, because she said she's going to come early. So yeah.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Caught me.
Good morning, you guys. Good morning. How are you guys doing? I don't know the best way to see you guys, but yeah, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are well. So I'm already trying to fix my setup for the hair tutorial, and the weather is really chilly this morning, and I decided to come on here and check in on you guys. If that makes sense. So maybe before I get back to you guys again, it's going to be later today when I'm done with the hair, and I might show you guys what it looks like, or you're going to see it on Dilias and bye. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. Oh my god, wait. My nose. Tight.
Everything has changed every day. 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running.
I don't know. Keep my mouth killing. For this life I did, I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days. I want to spend them on enjoyment. This is what's up. This I don't know what to do with you right now. I don't feel like wearing anything. I feel like just going on with it like this. Yes, I know what I'm going to do. This is actually the first time I'm using this kind of mousse. I've always been using the Eco Styling mousse and some others. Why does it feel soapy? But that could be better. But it's okay. Just about her. I don't want her to tattoo. You guys, please, pardon me in case you see me opening my mouth. I'm trying to catch my breath. Give me headache, cool up, big. Yeah, like that. Oh, look at my curls are popping, you guys. My curls are popping. For this life I day, I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days. I look good. Make you know there's no fall, I beg. Doesn't look bad, does it? Nope. Does it? It's crazy to change. I'm ready. You may not know what's here. My face is so dry. No makeup, no makeup. my girlfriend is never say, we are here makeup here ya o wa here la dia. You salo boave. Hey mama, my sister. Right now, I just can't. Who said that me and I get that food? Yeah. Hey, this is what I'm wearing. I really love this outfit on me. Even though I'm not the type that like to go out on leggings. I don't really like it. But because I'm going to wear a longer jacket on it, I'm good. I'm wearing this one. For this life. Wow. See how this thing fine for inside black. I mean, see how black fine inside. It looks really nice. Yep. Okay. I feel like wearing some glasses today. It's sunny outside and my eyes are tearing out. So why not? It's been a while. I really like this outfit. My package is coming in today. My smartwatch and my steamer. I'm gonna go see if they can help me fix these glasses. One of the screw is out. I want to see if they can help me fix it. This used to be my go-to glasses. I should go to this optical in Kaufland. But if they say I should pay, how much will it be? I don't know. I'll go and check. I'll just go check. You know. And I'm wearing these ones. Okay. Auntie. Okay. Smell good, look good, and be good. That's so cool. Beautiful rhyme. Finally, oh, it's about to go down. But this is the one I'm going to. It's called Apollo. Oh wow, they're gonna fix it for free. Wow, I am so happy about it. Sometimes you just need to try. You just need to try. Dankeschön. Cheers. I got my glasses done for free. Got my glasses done for free. I'm super happy about this. Okay. Broccoli is ready, you guys. Yummy. It's hot. Lecker. Let it cool down before the pizza is fully ready. Ja.
Kannst du mal so eine Taste bemalen, wenn man auf dem Klo ist besetzt? Dann musst du auf der Hinterseite besetzt malen.
Dass man drin ist.
Dann kannst du so ein Schild mal hier ranhängen. Dahinter hängt Warte, ich bin auf Klo. Da vorne heißt soll frei stehen.
Ja. Super. No, de hier niet zo.
Mama ist immer noch viel nass. Ja, hier.
You say make I buy this thing that they put for door. Wey, be say if person dey, you say person dey inside. Make 5 years. Okay. Aha, my package came. You guys, one surprising thing that happened. The deliverer is my classmate, you guys. My classmate. We did the behinds together, and just now he came in front of my door. I was like, oh my god. He said first of all when he saw my name on my was it composed, but he was like, oh, this is someone he knows. I was like, yeah, so nice. So I was like, where is your wife? How is she? And he's, you know, we just you know, greeted and all of that. So cool. Oh, why is this thing so small? You guys remember the clip I told you guys about? Yeah, that is film. That is dance.
That's mine now.
Yes, the big deal. I'm so excited about my smartwatch. Oh my god, you guys.
It's not a box.
Yeah, I'm going to open it. So this is the steamer. Steamer, yep, steamer. Classic. Oh my god, you guys. I'm going to list the items in my Amazon store. Yeah, my Amazon storefront, you guys. So the items will be listed on my Amazon storefront. Look at it. So I got this item for two reasons. One, to steam hair. You guys are going to see me use it. So I bought it to steam and also to iron bed sheets or blazer, jackets. Yeah. Wow, this is good. The buttons are on the side right here. I like it. So it comes with this extra right here, like a brush. I believe this is how you use it. No, I'm just figuring it out. I think so. Yeah, this is how you use it. Like so. Wow, this is cool. I can't wait to try it. So that is that. Where is my watch? So this is the watch I bought for myself. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. Awesome. So I'm going to do a TikTok unboxing. I know I'll show now pass like this, but now we'll see the watch for my hand. Alright, you guys, this is it. I don't know if there's anything more I need to show you guys today. Definitely not, but maybe I'm going to find one more scene to add to this vlog before I run it off. So I will see you guys when I see you. Herbert,
Yeah.
Faruza. Oh yeah, come. Food is ready. Oh yeah, Mona, come eat.